another TeckWrap craft video. My name is Arlene from This Is a House, and today we're going to make a fun yet simple craft with TeckWrap craft glow in the dark lime. So let's do it. Today we're going to use our bidding pen, our scissors, the vinyl.
I bought this design last year on Etsy, and I made a glass can with holographic vinyl. This year I am going to use the glow in the dark lime to see how it looks, and I am going to use it on a mason jar cup. So let's see how they look. The setting TeckWrap recommends to use with this specific vinyl is holographic vinyl. I have a Cricut maker. Remember that usually they have a sheet with all the recommendations they have for their specific products and machines you might be using.
They have this cool collection of glow in the dark vinyl, UV vinyl, and you can find everything over at teckwrapcraft.com. I am going to use their standard mat to cut my design. I love it, it's so smooth. Let's cut it.
While I cut my design, I am going to set my jar in here. I already cleaned it. I use alcohol to clean the surface of the jar.
I bought these on Amazon, and they come in a pack of 6, in a box of 6 of them. So that's what we're going to use today. And I am going to start weeding the vinyl.
This is my first time using their glow in the dark vinyl, and the surface is so smooth and it's really easy to weed. That's something I can say. Even this design that has small pieces and small cuts in it, see how smoothly the vinyl comes out. For most people, the weeding part of the project is the worst. For me, I really love it. I really enjoy weeding the vinyl. I don't know, for some reason, to me, it's so satisfying. So yeah, that's me taking my time and enjoying the process. I use my wooden pen to remove all the excess of the vinyl. I cleaned all the cats and the moons and even the bats. If you have never tried a wooden pen before, I really recommend you to try it. It really helps on the weeding process. You can find these wooden pens on teckwrapcraft.com. teckwrapcraft.com. They have different colors that you can buy from them. We are almost done. I didn't record the part where I added the vinyl to the cup, but this is the end result. I am going to show you how the cup looks in the dark. So you can see that vinyl glowing in the dark. I really love the end result. It's pretty simple, but I really like it. This is how it looks in the dark. So if you are trying to find this kind of vinyl, you can visit teckwrapcraft.com. They have lots of different glow in the dark colors that you can try. So I hope you like this video. Please give us a thumbs up. Remember, you can subscribe so you don't miss any other videos. My name is Arlene from This Is Our House. I hope you have a great day.